Hello, we're TrilbyTV, the #1 digital signage platform made for education. Digital signage helps staff, students and visitors retain important information. And at TrilbyTV, we keep things simple, so even the busiest schools can have up-to-date screens, building whole school communication and enhancing engagement. You can add video, a slideshow of images or pre-designed PowerPoints and PDFs, an animated social media feed, or web content like Google Slideshow, YouTube and RSS feeds. There's also the Content Catalogue, a collection of pre-made education resources from hand-picked partners. Ownership and management of screens can be delegated to give complete control of users and schedules in one or many schools. And our unlimited screen subscription allows you to grow your signage without further costs. Multi-platform support means you probably already have a device that TrilbyTV can work with, and our team is always on hand to assist you with setup and provide support. So let's switch on your signage today with our free 30-day trial.